In this tutorial, we will cover displaying formulas in Excel. Please open the file 09 Display Formulas. You can better understand what's going on in your worksheet by showing and highlighting all the formulas in a sheet. Let's look at how to show and hide formulas. By default, Excel will display the results of a formula in the worksheet instead of showing the actual formulas. Go and click on cell E4 and you'll see up in the formula bar there's the formula used to get the result you actually see in E4. But sometimes you might want to display all the formulas in a spreadsheet rather than having to click on every cell in your spreadsheet to find where there's a formula. If you would, up on the ribbon, click on the Formulas tab and look for the Formula Auditing group. In there, there's a button that says Show Formulas. Click on that. You'll see that the columns widen, and now you can see the actual formulas displayed where they're being used in the spreadsheet. If you want to get rid of that and go back to normal view, you can click on Show Formulas, and that will reduce it back to their original sizes for the columns and no longer show the actual formulas in all the cells. This shortcut for that is holding down the Control key and pressing the acute or tilde key in the upper left-hand corner of your keyboard right below the Escape key. If you press the Control tilde, it will spread out your information and then spread back to just normal view. As a quick way to see all of the formulas, very handy when I receive a brand new spreadsheet, just to look at all of the formulas in a spreadsheet rather than having to hunt for them. If you don't want to actually see the formulas but want to know which cells contain them, there's an option called Highlight Formulas. We're going to highlight the cells where the formulas are being used. This is found over on the Home tab. Please click on the Home tab and then find it in the Editing group. Click on our little magnifying, Find and Select. To quickly find all the formulas, you'll see there's Formulas. Click on Formulas and you'll see that all the cells that have formulas in them are now highlighted. It doesn't really change the formatting. If you click on any other cell, you'll see they go back to just the normal view, but it's a quick way to find all the formulas in your spreadsheet. So you can use either option in the future to help you work with formulas.